The water hammer pressure calculator determines the pressure surge that occurs when flowing liquid is suddenly stopped in a pipeline. Let's configure our inputs. First, select your unit system from the drop-down menu. You can choose metric with meters per second, kilograms per cubic meter, millimeters, and pascals, or imperial with feet per second, pounds per cubic foot, inches, and psi. I'm using metric. Next, select your pipe material. Options include steel, copper, PVC, cast iron, concrete, or custom with their respective wave speeds. I'll select steel with a wave speed of 1200 meters per second. Now enter your flow velocity, fluid density, and pipe diameter in the input fields. If you selected custom material, you'll also enter the custom wave speed. For this example, I'm entering 10 meters per second for flow velocity, 10 kilograms per cubic meter for fluid density, and 10 millimeters for pipe diameter. After clicking Calculate Water Hammer Pressure, the calculator shows our pressure surge of 120,000 pascals and confirms the wave speed at 1,200 meters per second. This pressure surge represents the sudden increase in pressure when flow stops abruptly, critical information for preventing pipe damage. Find the link in the description below.